Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate CuriosityStream on your Samsung Smart TV, follow these simple steps to access thousands of documentary films and series. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the home button on your remote to access the Smart Hub. Navigate to the Apps section from the main menu. Step 2. Open the Samsung App Store and use the search function to find CuriosityStream. When you locate the app, select it to view more details. Step 3. Click Install or Download to add the CuriosityStream app to your Samsung TV. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 4. Once installed, open the CuriosityStream app from your Apps screen or Smart Hub. The app will launch and display a welcome screen. Step 5. Look for the Sign In or Activate Device option on the app's home screen. Select this option, and an activation code will appear on your TV, typically 6 to 8 characters long. Step 6. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and navigate to CuriosityStream.com, activate, or the specific URL shown on your TV screen. Step 7. Log in to your CuriosityStream account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for a subscription plan before activating your TV. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your Samsung TV into the field on the website and click Activate or Submit. Return to your TV and wait a few seconds for the app to refresh. Once activated, you'll have full access to CuriosityStream's library of documentaries. Browse categories and start watching educational content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.